Good morning, dear children. Today we will learn how to write the letter L. And I think now everybody knows how to make a standing line and a sleeping line. And letter L we will start this way. Standing line, stop. Sleeping line, stop. Standing line, stop. Sleeping line, stop. Now children, I will tell you about the lines. This is the red line. This is the blue line. This is the blue line. And again another red line. This is the red line. This is the blue line. This is the blue line. And again another red line. These lines you will find in your English notebook. Now, are you all ready? We will start the letter L. Now, ma'am has put the dots for you. You can join the dots first and make the letter L. So, come with ma'am. Start from the red line. Join the dots down, 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 blue line, stop. And then join the dots, sleep, sleep, sleep on the blue line, stop. Join the dots down, 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 blue line, stop. Join the dots, sleep, 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 blue line, stop. Now you know how to write letter L. Now we will not put the dots. Now big children will start from the red line. Down, 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 blue line, stop. Sleep, 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 blue line, stop. Down, 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 blue line, stop. Sleep, 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 blue line, stop. Down, 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 blue line, stop. Sleep, 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 blue line, stop. Down, 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 blue line, stop. Sleep, 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 blue line, stop. Very good. So everybody has now written the letter L. Very good. Now we will know the sound of the letter L. Now everybody with ma'am. L says L. L says L. L says L. So now from now every day you will practice writing the letter L and you will practice learning the sound of letter L. Okay? Bye.